Ladies and gentlemen, please return your seats to their upright position and fasten your seatbelts because things are about to get awesome. All right, guys, today we are talking about water intake. I had a Rockstar client. Just to give you guys a heads up too, I train people one-on-one. I train people in groups in person. I lift myself 5 times a week, although photography doesn't say that right now because I've kind of slacked off on recording my workouts, and I'm going to get that sorted out today. This week I've just been crazy busy designing other people's workouts, and when I go in the gym, I'm using old workouts and just... Anyways, bullshit excuse. I apologize, and I will get on top of it because you got to walk the walk if you're going to talk the talk. Okay, but today we're talking about water. We're doing a group yesterday, and we got talking about water intake, and someone says, you know, how much water should I drink? And I said, more. And they're like, well, no. How much water should I drink? I said, honestly, you should probably shoot for 3 to 4 liters. I personally try to drink about 6 liters a day. It's probably closer to 7. Yes, there is a possibility that you can drink too much water and you can screw up your electrolyte balance. You need to drink a shit ton of water to do that. I've had one person do that because they decided to just drink twice what I recommended, and they were a little bit obsessive. And the scary thing is they're now a personal trainer. Yeah. But anyways, so getting back to the point, water intake, you should probably be shooting for about 3 liters. Now, here's a heads up, guys, okay? When you first start drinking water, you're not going to want to drink water. This is for some people. Some people will be fine, it's not an issue. I'm talking to the people that it is an issue for, okay? And they think, I hate drinking water. I don't want to drink water. It's only going to be a week or 2 before your body starts to want to drink water. So don't worry. It's not forever. And that's one thing you got to understand when you're trying to change your physiology. Okay? When you decide that you're going to eat different and you're going to exercise and you're going to get off your ass, your body is not going to like that. It's going to fight you because it loves equilibrium. It loves things staying the same. Okay? And, I mean, we see this phenomenon a lot in the world. We see this idea of, resistance to change. Okay? But what you have to understand is that things are hard before they are easy. Okay? So when it comes to drinking water, at first you're like, this sucks. I don't want to do this. I'd rather drink coffee. And by the way, drinking coffee does not dehydrate you. It just doesn't hydrate you as much as drinking pure water does, because there's stuff in the coffee that your body needs to use water to process. So you lose about, 20 to 40%, depending on the coffee, depending on the tea. You lose that water trying to clear out the stuff that your body needs to clear out, like the caffeine and all sorts of shit, okay? But it still hydrates you to some extent, because if you think about it, some people don't drink any water at all. They just drink a bunch of other beverages, and they don't drop dead from dehydration, right? So that's kind of a baloney thing that some people say, some trainers say. It's not true, okay? But that being said, just straight water is something that your body should want. If you think about any animal on the planet, the only thing they drink is water. We're the only ones that have fucked that up. Okay, and like many things we've done, it wasn't a good decision. So, when you start to drink water again, you're going to kind of not like it, but then eventually your body will start to like it. Okay? Things will get easier. Now, what you need to do for them to get easier is be consistent. Is make a decision to change one thing, like, okay, I'm going to go and I'm going to drink 2 liters per day. And if the day gets busy, you can still work, you can still talk on the phone, you can still do all sorts of things while you're taking a sip of water. Watch this. Holy shit, watch this. I bet you I didn't lose any viewers because I just did that, okay? You can take time for yourself. You must take time for yourself because you're an incredibly important person and other people are depending on you to stay healthy and to live a long time and be in a good mood. Okay, so it's your responsibility to drink water. Oh yeah, and for the Nazis out there that are going to say I'm drinking it out of a plastic bottle, don't sweat the small stuff. Just drink the friggin' water. If you want to go get a $28, metal thing, which I've bought them and I keep losing them, and these are in the fridge and I just grab them. Don't sweat the small stuff. Okay? There's people out there that can geek out all day about this minutia. Minutia just means minor, unimportant shit. That's how they avoid change, because if something's not perfect, they don't want to do it. No. We're just going to get a little bit better every day. We don't worry about perfection. We just get a little bit better every day. And guess what? That's the road to being a rock star. All right, I don't know if that made any sense. Hopefully that helped one friggin' person and it was worth doing. Sorry, just wait while I have another sip. Walk the walk. How long did that take? Yeah. All right, guys. Have a great day. Love yous. And hit the gym. Yeah.